Oh, if only I was far, far away, somewhere underground, where nobody knows. I wouldn't get in so much trouble with the mayor of Mushroom Village. Wait, what's that? It's a tornado! Whoa! 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 Oops. Whoa. I don't think I'm in Mushroom Village anymore. Who are you?
I'm a good witch.
Pardon me, but I don't think I've ever heard of a good witch.
Oh, you wouldn't have. They only live here in this particular little place.
No. How do I get home?
Just follow the yellow brick road. That's your first step. Then I'll see you at the end.
Wait, I have so many more questions.
Don't worry, I will be with you at the end. They will be answered.
Alright, well, I guess I gotta follow the yellow brick road. Okay, I'll take the boat. Follow the yellow brick road. I'm just following the yellow brick road. Following the yellow brick road. The road is yellow. I'm following it. Whoop. Oh. Looks like it's time to practice my swimming. Following the yellow brick road. There's the yellow brick road. And I'm following it. Oh, there's that good witch again.
I told you, here's your little present of a chest for making the first course done.
Alright, thank you. Oh, it's paper. I really needed that. Thank you, good witch.
You are welcome.
Thank you for watching this episode inspired by the Wizard of Oz.